YouTube channel if you're new, and thank you so much for always liking my videos, commenting, and increasing in number. I love you so much. I love you for the support, and thank you so much. Love you. So guys, today, going straight to my today's vlog, I'm going to do a video on cleaning. um uh, Cleaning, yeah. So it's a Saturday, and what do you expect? I'm going to clean a house. But it's so guys, this is how it looks like, yeah. So this is what it looks like. This is the couch, and then that's the bed, yeah. So we're going to do a cleaning vlog. So guys, are tuning in, and let's see. Guys, but they I'm watching Miss Trudy's vlog. Yeah, I really love her. She's one of my best YouTubers. Yeah, and I can say she's my role model actually. Yeah, she's a Kenyan YouTuber, and but then you can watch her videos. She's so amazing. Her content is so awesome. She usually do travel vlogs. Yeah, so if you don't know about her, you can go and check her videos. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to start with the dishes first. I'm going to clean the dishes and at least make this kitchen part, I mean the kitchen area, look at least awesome. So let's go. So guys, I'm just starting with the kitchen part, yeah, and then I go to the other parts. For me, I like starting with the hardest part, and to me the kitchen is usually the hardest part to clean. Yeah, so I'm going to start with the kitchen part, and after that I'm going to the bed. Yeah, so leave a comment and let me know, where do you start cleaning? Like, do you start in the bedroom, or do you start in the sitting room, or do you start in the kitchen? Where do you start with the easiest part or the hardest part? Like, let me know in the comment section, and also let me know where you're watching this from. So guys, I'm done with the utensils. Like, yeah, I'm done with washing I'm done with the kitchen part actually. I'm done with this area. I'm done with the bed part. I hope you can see it. Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary. So guys, I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm done with the cleaning, and I hope you can see. At least it doesn't look the way it was looking actually when I started recording this. It has actually changed a lot, and I've done my part. Whew. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm so tired, and I'm so hungry. So guys, let me just show you the way it looks like. Yeah, from the bed side, from the sitting room side, and the kitchen part. Imagine kazi ya mikono yangu. This is only my work, and as you can see, at least I've done something. wardrobe part, it's not looking the way it was looking actually when I started shooting this thing. And then the bed part is, it's looking at least quite presentable, yeah. And then the sitting room part, that part, and then the TV part down there, at least I've arranged it. It's not looking the way it was looking at the first. And then yeah, so that's it. That's it, guys. And then there's the kitchen part, though I've not yet gone to throw away the trash. It's still there, but I'll go and throw it away. And then the kitchen part, at least it's looking quite presentable, not the way it was looking at first. The whole house, that that way, is it quite presentable, like? But I think, guys, you can see that's what that was my part. And guys, let me know your views on how it's looking. Let me know how you would want me, or what you'd want me to do on the next vlog, yeah. And so, guys, let me know how you've arranged your bed sitter in that part, and let me know your views about this one. So, guys, that's the end of my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as you can see, the house is quite neat as you're talking, and it's the work of my hands, and I'm so proud of that actually. Let me know your views about this video. If you want me to do more of these, just leave down your comment and let me know how you usually arrange your bed sitter apartment. Bye, see you on the next vlog. I really love you so much. Bye.